To answer this in a very simple way to the average business person, marketing means promotion. Marketing is considered as an activity that one does in order to promote specific merchandise or selling a service. Marketing is how well you explain your product. Nowadays, the internet has made it so easy for marketers to get through to their target customers with just a few clicks. Marketing sits at the intersection of the business and customer. Some marketing is done by affiliates too, which means selling a product on behalf of a company. There are different types of marketing strategies available. As a marketer, picking up a marketing strategy requires a well-detailed analysis of your business. You need to be able to name your target audience and specifications of your products. The two main marketing strategy is business-to-business marketing and business-to-consumer marketing. But, the common form of marketing is business-to-consumer marketing. The different types of marketing strategies available today are 1. Paid advertising. Paid advertising includes multiple approaches to marketing. It includes traditional approaches like TVCs and print media advertising. Also, one of the most well-known marketing approaches is internet marketing. It includes various methods like pay-per-click and paid to advertise. 2. Cause marketing. Cause marketing links the services and products of a company to a social cause or issue. It is also well known as cause-related marketing. 3. Relationship marketing. This type of marketing is basically focused on customer building, strengthening existing relationships with customers and improving customer loyalty. 4. Undercover marketing. Undercover marketing strategies involve introducing a product to consumers in a way that does not seem like advertising. It is a strategy within the broader technique of stealth marketing. It's a low-cost strategy that can be really valuable to a business, but the issue with stealth marketing is one of ethics. 5. Word of mouth. It totally depends on what impression you leave on people. Word of mouth is arguably the most important type of marketing strategy. Being heard is important in the business world. When you give quality services to customers, it is likely that they'd promote you. 6. Internet marketing. It is also known as cloud marketing. As the name implies, internet marketing happens over the internet. One way or the other, businesses find a way to put out their marketing items on the internet and promote on various platforms via multiple approaches. 7. Transnational marketing. Sales are particularly the most challenging work. Even for the largest retailers, selling is always tough, especially when there are high-volume targets. However, with the new marketing strategies, selling isn't as difficult as it was. In transactional marketing, retailers encourage customers to buy with shopping coupons, discounts, and huge events. It enhances the chances of sales and motivates the target audience to buy the promoted products. 8. Diversity marketing. Popularly known as in-culture marketing, is a marketing pattern that sees marketing as a way to connect with the different individuals in the market. It covers different aspects like culture, beliefs, attitudes, views, and other specific needs. How does marketing works? As a marketer or a business owner, you have to pick one strategy that suits your business. But before choosing the right marketing strategy for your business, consider the following points. 1. Define the target population. Defining the target population is the main and necessary step in choosing your marketing strategy. It gives the proper demographics which help in selecting the most appropriate marketing plan for your business. 2. Test your audience. Create a hypothetical process of buying to test your audience. Once you know the buying behavior of your target audience, you can select a more appropriate marketing strategy. 3. Consider marketing strategies. Once you know the demographics, their knowledge, attitudes, and behaviors, you can select more appropriate marketing strategies. 4. Evaluate those strategies. Once you have considered the marketing strategies and found the applicable ones, assess them, apply them, and evaluate them. This process must be for testing purposes, and the most suitable and productive strategy must be applied. That's it, guys. Like and share this video. Let us know in the comment section below if you like this video. As always, don't forget to subscribe for more amazing topics. And turn on the notification bell, so you will be the first to know when we drop another video, and thanks for watching.